Ever heard someone say, "Can I buy Bitcoin with Zelle?" It's a question that's been popping up more and more as people dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Let's dive in and find out if it's possible. Section 1. Understanding Zelle and Bitcoin. What is Zelle? A fast and easy way to send money between bank accounts. Typically used for peer-to-peer transactions. Owned by a consortium of banks. What is Bitcoin? A decentralized digital currency. Uses blockchain technology. Not controlled by any central authority. Section 2. The challenges of using Zelle for Bitcoin purchases. Lack of direct support. Zelle doesn't directly support cryptocurrency transactions. This means there's no built-in feature to buy Bitcoin. Security concerns. While Zelle is generally secure, using it for cryptocurrency purchases can introduce additional risks. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin can make it harder to track and recover funds in case of fraud. Regulatory hurdles. Cryptocurrency regulations can vary widely between countries. Zelle may not be compliant with all local regulations regarding cryptocurrency transactions. Section 3. Alternative methods for buying Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Most exchanges accept a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. Peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. Directly buying Bitcoin from other individuals. Platforms like Local Bitcoins facilitate P2P trading. Can be more flexible but may involve higher risks. Bitcoin ATMs. Machines that allow you to buy Bitcoin with cash. Often charge higher fees than other methods. May have limited availability in certain areas. Section 4. Safety tips for buying Bitcoin. Choose reputable platforms. Research and select well-established cryptocurrency exchanges or P2P platforms. Look for platforms with strong security measures and positive user reviews. Protect your personal information. Be cautious about sharing personal details online. Avoid phishing scams and fraudulent websites. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Store your Bitcoin securely. Use a hardware wallet or a cold storage solution to store your Bitcoin offline. Avoid storing your private keys on online platforms. Recap. So, can you buy Bitcoin with Zelle? Not directly. While Zelle is a convenient option for sending money between bank accounts, it doesn't have the features or infrastructure to support cryptocurrency transactions. Alternative methods. Fortunately, there are plenty of other ways to buy Bitcoin, including cryptocurrency exchanges, peer-to-peer trading, and Bitcoin ATMs. Safety first. Remember to prioritize security when buying Bitcoin. Choose reputable platforms, protect your personal information, and store your Bitcoin securely. If you're interested in learning more about Bitcoin or exploring different buying options, check out the links in the description below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.